Hello and welcome. Today we're working on the margin of safety in cost volume profit analysis. This is part of our cost volume profit playlist, and so we've done break-even analysis and target profit margin, but this is margin of safety, and it's really very simple. Now, you only have margin of safety if you're above the break-even point. So for example, we have the break-even point is 1,200 units or $60,000. And right now we're selling at 1,500 units and $75,000. So the questions we might ask is, what is our margin of safety in units, or margin of safety in dollars, or our margin of safety percentage? Now, so you can tell people, hey, look, you're making a profit. This is really great. They say, yeah, but our sales might go down. If our sales go down, I'm worried we might lose money. Well, here's how you do it. Margin of safety is always going to be above the break-even point, and so we're going to take the difference. We're going to take the 1,500, subtract the 1,200. Our sales could drop 300, so our margin of safety in units is going to be 300. Our margin of safety in dollars is going to be the same calculation, except it's with the dollars. So it's going to be the 75,000 minus the 60,000, so it's $15,000. So here is the way to interpret margin of safety. You say, hey, if your sales drop by 300 units, then you'll hit the break-even point, and then beyond that, you'll lose money. You'll have a loss rather than a profit. Or your sales could drop by $15,000, from 75 down to 60,000. Well, margin of safety percentage is going to be an easy way to calculate it because it's the same whether you look at units or dollar amounts. So what we're going to do is take the difference, the 300, divided by the original number, the current number, which is the 1,500. So 300 divided by 1,500 is 20% margin of safety. 15,000 divided by the current 75. So we're saying, look, our sales could drop 20%, and then we hit the break-even point, and then we start losing money. So this gives you a margin of safety to figure out how much your sales could drop. If your sales drop by 5% or 8%, you are still making a profit. So the margin of safety percentage is going to be 20% in either case. So that's how you do margin of safety in the cost volume profit analysis. Check out the playlist, and you'll see how you work all these types of problems, including break-even analysis.